Let's discuss how to round correct to the nearest whole number, if not nearest unit number. Right. First we'll read the number 37.425. Next one, 95.631. So we'll identify the place value. Here unit, here tenths. So after the first decimal is tenth, the second decimal place is hundredth, third, thousand. Okay, let's round off to the nearest unit or nearest whole number. So what's the unit number here? It's 10. So when you round off to the nearest whole number, you have to consider the next door value. That means 10th value you have to look into, right? The 4. The 10th value is 4. If the number is less than 5, when you round off the nearest whole number, it the answer 37. Look at this one, 95.613. The nearest whole number, the unit number is 5. You have to consider the next door value, 6. If the number is 5 or more, you have to add 1 to the whole number. You have to add 1 to the nearest unit. So when you add 1 here, when you round off to the whole number, the answer 96. Okay. Let's round off these numbers to the nearest whole number, if not nearest unit. The nearest unit, nearest whole number is 5. You have to consider the next door value 2. It's less than 5. So when you round off to the nearest whole number, the answer 5. The next one, 4.86. The nearest whole number, the nearest unit number is 4. You have to consider 8. It's more than 5. So when you round off, the answer 5. The next 8.19. So when you round off to the nearest whole number or nearest unit number, the nearest unit number is 8. The nearest whole number is 8. You have to consider the next door value 1. It's less than 5. So when you round off, the answer 8. Next, 15.76. The nearest whole number, when you find the unit number is 5, you have to consider the next door value, 7. So when you round off the nearest whole number, you have to add 1, it's 16. 15.56 become 16. E, 10.72. The nearest unit, nearest whole number is 0. You have to consider the next door value is 7. It's more than 5. So you have to add 1. Then 10 become 1. When you add to the nearest whole number, it's 11. The next 29.63. Nearest unit, nearest whole number is 9. You have to consider 6. It's more than 5. So when you round off, it's 30. Next, 6.488. The unit number, the whole number is 6. You have to consider 4. It's less than 5. When you round off the nearest whole number or nearest unit number, the answer is 6. The last one, 600.8. So unit number, the whole number is 0. You have to consider 8. It's more than 5. So when you add 1, the nearest whole number, the answer 601.